Good morning, James Hornsby family. Welcome to Monday's Assembly. Today I'm going to talk to you about procrastination and the importance of not doing it. So a person who procrastinates is someone who often puts off important jobs. They'd rather do something else, might want to sit on the sofa, something's come up on Netflix. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions. If you answer yes, you have a tendency to procrastinate. Do you find yourself performing tasks that you've intended to do days and days before? Do you find that sometimes homework, tidying up, things like that don't get done for days on end, even if they're quick little jobs? If you've got something difficult to do you often convince yourself that you should probably do it when you feel more motivated or more inspired? If you've got deadlines approaching, do you often waste time by getting other things done instead? Do you often say, I'll do it tomorrow? Do you usually have to rush to complete tasks on time? Now, if you've answered yes, then you've got a tendency to procrastinate. So as time has gone on and the years have gone on and technology has improved, the numbers of people procrastinating has increased drastically. Now, actually, we need to work on how to stop that. Unfortunately, for you younger people, you're going to find it harder to resist temptation. Your prefrontal cortex, which is where the willpower stays, doesn't actually develop until you're in your early 20s. What that means for you is you have less willpower the younger that you are. Luckily, you've got all of us here at James Hornsby to help you work around that. Ultimately, procrastination leads to poorer grades. A wise man once said, "My advice is to never do tomorrow what you can do today. Procrastination is the thief of time." Now, I'm going to show you a quick video that's going to tell you how you might be able to beat procrastination.
Here's a little food for thought. There's an old saying that says, if the first thing you do when you wake up each morning is eat a live frog, nothing worse can happen for the rest of the day. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's a pretty safe assumption. Well, Brian Tracy has said that your frog should be the most difficult task on your things to-do list. The one you're most likely to procrastinate on. Because if you eat that first, it'll give you energy and momentum for the rest of the day. But if you don't, if you let him sit there on the plate while you do 100 unimportant things, it can drain your energy, and you won't even know it. William James, one of the founders of modern psychology, said this: procrastination is attitude's natural assassin. There's nothing so fatiguing as an uncompleted task. So, with that said, here's your assignment for the next 30 days. Take a look at your list. Circle the frog. Eat that first, and you'll thank us for it.
Now, the reason working through your to-do list and eating your frogs is so important is actually only 2% of the world are geniuses. So if we accept that most of us probably aren't, it means that in order to succeed, we actually need to put in real hard work to acquire all the skills, the learning and the knowledge for all of our GCSE subjects that then open up a world to loads of different career possibilities for us. So, Pope John Paul II once said that the future starts today, not tomorrow. So get yourselves up off the sofa, log on to Google Classrooms, get that work done, and then we look forward to seeing you when we're back at school. Stay safe and thank you for listening.